Nagkaroon kami we are already existing in 980 chapters nationwide, municipality and city combined. We are doing Ilog Kalingain program, sama-samang galaw, ang Bayanihan Park, sama-samang pagtatanim. Nandyan ang Barkada, Barangay Kabuhayan Damayan. We do lots of coastal cleanup drives, including the cleanup drives sa streets. We do tree planting, consultation forum, doing simultaneous activities, information drive, leaders assembly, municipal assembly. All these are part of the organization as volunteer organization. Hindi namin yun nagawa because we are leaders. Of course, being a leaders, we have the weaknesses. We are a group of professionals. We are a group of PR practitioners. We are a group of FW worldwide. We are a group of different sectors. And combine this one, iba-iba kasi yung pagkatao, iba-ibang pananaw, iba-ibang pagtingin nila sa bawat pagkilos, paggalaw na nakita namin doon. Sa bawat pinupuntahan naming lugar, nandiyan na yung jealousy, nandiyan yung betrayals, nandiyan yung disloyalty, financial stability, too much expectation, ayuda mindset, laziness, negativity, selfish interest. Ito yung naka-hinder sa amin kung bakit patuloy kaming kaminsan we are nandun kami yung paulit-ulit kami kailangan namin lingunin yung mga bagay dito. Ang bawat member namin kailangan namin balikan dahil ang responsibilidad ng leader, we cannot abandon our own people. By doing it, we encourage everyone to do the same like us because ang aming nobles ko, sa aming sagradong kilos, ang aming sagradong galaw, ang aming pinakamabuluhang voluntaryong pagkilos, nandyan yung aming consistency. By doing consistency, we maintain our rapport to different leaders, to different individuals. By doing volunteerism, we maintain our strength. Kasi lahat ng organization, malaki man o maliit, kailangan natin ng voluntaryong pagkilos kasi dito tayo nami-maintain. Kung wala ng volunteer, wala ng pera, wala ng galaw. Our inspiration, we continue to encourage everyone. Inspiration, ito yung una namin na tinatap, the motivation. It is just a words of strength, but yung motivate namin through sa sariling isip, sa gawa, sa kilos at diwa, lalo na sa diwang banal. Kailangan namin ma-inspire din lahat na ang gampanin namin ay isang makabuluhan para namin ma-inspire din lahat. Hindi lamang doon sa ginagawa namin bilang leader ni PBBM, but bilang ordinaryong mamayang Pilipino. Perseverance, equality, integrity, dignity, truthfulness, loyalty, oneness. And our three words of strength, faith, hope, and love. Dito nagkaroon kami ng tunay because our dream, saan ang dulo natin? Ito. It's our dream. Tinitingnan namin ang light ng liwanag doon sa dulo na meron kami pag-asa. That's hope. By doing it, we do it through love. And by faith, alam namin ang bawat gampanin namin, bawat ginagawa namin ay may basbas ng Diyos at meron kami gantimpala para araw. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Sakto-sakto.